there's a lot of positive and negative. It was very difficult because
哎呦我的妈！
有人。有人。
Yeah, that's why I want to get your thoughts on that. So just to clarify, ito po yung pagkuha ng survey sa Luzon, for example.
Ano nilagay mo dito?
Yun. Ano to?
Baka nilagyan mo na naman ng asin.
Ito, makikita mo dyan, puro asin.
Yes, so we labeled the national.
Sabi ko na